Not a nip slip. So yeah, and wow, I can't stand hot weather. Like, I don't even know why I live in the South. Cost of living. That's why I live in the South. Everybody, my name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so last video I gave you guys wabi. Today I'm giving you modern organic or organic modern. I'm not really sure what people call it, but I like modern organic. It's alphabetical and yeah. Anywho, you're gonna get some textures, you're gonna get some curves, you're gonna get some stone. So let's hop right into the haul. So first up is gonna be this side table I got from Crate & Barrel. Now, I can't hold it up, but I will show you guys on the side of the screen. I'll put an image. When I said this thing was heavy, this thing was heavy. Now first off the whole weight thing, I went through hell trying to get this table, okay? So I shared it on my Instagram stories when I saw that it was on sale. It's like a set, so it's like a side table and a coffee table. You don't have to buy them together, but I'm a psycho, so I wanted them both together. You guys know I love a layered table. So I put in my order for the side table and I put in my order for the coffee table. Coffee tables, back ordered, yeah, whatever. Side table, oh, I can go pick it up, right? Got the confirmation, hey, your order's ready, come and pick it up. That morning, I was ready to get in the car. Well, let me stop lying because I wasn't waking up that early on a Saturday morning. But that day, I had planned to go pick up this table. Then, got an email, hey, I know we said that your order is ready for pickup, but it doesn't exist. So, okay, no big deal. I didn't freak out. I just tried to go back on the site and reorder it. Item is out of stock. All right, now I'm starting to get annoyed. So then I called to see what was going on with the order. Apparently they had fulfilled too many orders and didn't have enough stock. So now I'm just trying to figure out how I can get this table because I have been seeing like these black, very organic looking, Play-Doh looking tables all over my social media accounts, and this one was perfect because it was an odd shape on the top, but I still got that feel. And it was on sale, 50% off. So I needed to figure something out. Stocked the table, stocked it. Finally, I found one in stock at a location that was about an hour and a half away from me, right? Boom, good, let's order it, let's go. Then I got sick. Something in the universe was giving me very negative vibes and did not want me to get this table. Like, they just don't want me to get it.
It ain't gonna work. I bet you don't get none. I bet you don't get it. I bet you don't get it. I hope you don't get it.
But I was determined. Luckily, one of my friends was able to get it. Cussed me out the whole way because little did I know. I think I knew in the back of my mind, but I didn't realize that at the time because like I said, I was sick. It's made of cement, y'all. This thing is heavy. And she didn't have an SUV. She just had her car. But it was only like 2 feet, like literally the table is not high at all. It's like 2 feet tall. So I was like, oh, it won't be that big deal to get in her car. But then, you know, the boxes, it was just a whole thing. So she cussed me out, but we go back and forth like that anyway. It's not a big deal. So I finally got the table and I love it. It has this very textured and rough base, and then the top is smooth, but it has like this teardrop shape. It's just so pretty. Looks so high end. It's so much like the tables I have been seeing on Pinterest, like a combination of the Play-Doh table mixed with the cement base. So I'm so happy to have it. I'm waiting on the coffee table. I just got confirmation that I can schedule a pickup, but that's been pushed back quite a few times, so I'm a little bit nervous about it. So we're gonna cross our fingers, say a prayer, send good vibes through the camera, and we're gonna get this together. So yeah, that's the first thing I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so next up, a few videos ago I shared these H&M vases that I had gotten that looked so designer and I was so obsessed with. Still obsessed with those pieces, but the bigger one came and I had to share with you guys as well. I just cannot get over how much this looks like I'm gonna put her name on the screen because I don't want to butcher it. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try, but it looks so much like her pieces. Like I said in my previous video, I got this on sale for $40. It's normally $50. As of now, like right this second, they still have this one on the site. The ones I mentioned in my last video, like the medium sized one and the candlestick holder, those haven't resurfaced on the site just yet. So hopefully y'all got one.
Shit, but I got mine. You better get yours.
I know I got mine, but I just love this piece, y'all. I can't say enough about it. Just the curves, the texture on it, everything about it is just amazing to me. Okay, so next up, you guys know I love a good blanket. I have this, what do you call this? Mohair blanket here on my bed, and I found a gray toned one to go in my living room because you know I have some grays in there. I got this on clearance for $15. Like I said, I got this on clearance for $15. It's made in Italy, very bougie, and I just love it. I hate summer, I'm over summer. Even though it's only been here a couple days, I can't stand hot weather. Like, I don't even know why I live in the South. Cost of living. That's why I live in the South. But I'm looking forward to fall, so I'm just channeling those vibes. And I can't wait to Lysol this down and throw this over my couch and just get that warm, cozy feel. So yeah, the texture is there. Now, these do shed quite a bit, as I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, is shedding quite a bit, but I don't plan on really using this. This is for decorative purposes. Really good quality. The bottom has like this little fluffy fringe situation, which is so cute to me. Kind of like they just like cut it and let it do its own thing. I love that for me. And yeah, it has some tones, like some little warm brown tones. It has some hints of black. So I just love this piece. It's gonna go so good in my living room. Okay, so next up I have another piece from H&M Home, and it's this little tray, which I thought was so cute. This little organic shape. I just fell in love with it. Love the black matte smooth finish, but if you like bring your hands over it, it feels so good. Like you can feel like the little lumps, and I'm just so in love. Now, I did check the site today. They don't have the black right now, but they do have the beige and the white one. So if you want to spray paint it, by all means get it, but I think this is a really good piece. These are good for just catching all your junk. It'll look really good. I'm thinking of putting this in my Andrea layer when I have my little closet system to put just my everyday jewelry on, because I feel like gold up against this black will look so good, especially with the shape, how it like it'll kind of hug the chain of my necklaces and things. So yeah, and wow, word to the wise, always keep a spare battery for your light, because yeah, a mess. But like I was saying, I think this actually might be food safe because it was in the dinnerware section, but that could be a mistake. I don't know. It doesn't really say anything on the bottom. It has like a hand and what looks like a scrubber, so I'm guessing it's saying hand wash, so maybe it is food safe. I don't know if I'm gonna eat off this or not, but like I said, really cute. I love the shape, love how organic it looks, and it was only like $13.
I won't sit here and listen to your lies.
Just kidding, it was $18, but I got it on sale. You know, H&M Home, they always have sales, and then you get rewards for like reward points that equal to dollars, that amount to dollars that you can use on your next purchase. So yeah. And last but not least, I got this little vase. Now, I have seen these vases before. I actually own two other ones. Actually, let me go get that for you. This is one of them. I just painted it with the paint and baking soda trick to put in my entryway. This one was blue before. You can see here on the bottom. I didn't paint the bottom. Lazy. But anyways, I love these. I love the organic shape. These on Zara Home, the small size, are $34.99, but this one was only $9.99. H&M Home has a similar color. It's not the same shape, but you can get the same shade, and it's about $20, so a little bit cheaper than the Zara Home one. This light mocha brown color fits so well with my decor, especially here in my bedroom. So like I said, I love the shape of it. I love the quality. It's very thick glass. It's just a no-brainer. Like, put a little branch, a little floral in here with some water and you're gold. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I will link everything down below and leave the style numbers for the HOMEGOODS pieces, so hopefully you can get your hands on them. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.